Hey everyone, and welcome to our latest video on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2023 with the latest YouTube algorithm. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you know that getting views and subscribers can be a real challenge, especially with the ever-changing algorithm. But fear not. In this video, we're going to share with you some of the latest tips and tricks for optimizing your content and maximizing your reach on the platform. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, sit back, relax, and let's get started. The YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving, and keeping up with its changes can be a real challenge for content creators. But understanding how it works is essential if you want to grow your channel and reach a wider audience. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into the latest YouTube algorithm and explore the key factors that determine video recommendations. First, let's talk about watch time. This is one of the most important metrics for the YouTube algorithm, as it tells the platform how engaging and interesting your videos are. The more watch time your videos get, the higher they'll rank in search results and the more likely they are to be recommended to viewers. So it's important to make your videos as engaging and captivating as possible, and to keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Another important factor is audience retention. This measures how long viewers watch your videos before clicking away or exiting the platform. Videos with high audience retention rates are more likely to be recommended by the algorithm, as they indicate that your content is valuable and worth watching. So make sure to keep your videos concise and to the point, and to avoid rambling or going off topic. Next up is engagement. This includes metrics like likes, comments, and shares, and it tells the algorithm how much your viewers are interacting with your content. Videos with high levels of engagement are more likely to be recommended by the algorithm, as they indicate that your content is resonating with your audience and generating buzz. So make sure to ask your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos, and to respond to their comments and feedback whenever possible. Another key factor is video optimization. This includes things like titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, and it can have a big impact on how your videos perform on the platform. Optimizing your videos for search and discovery can help them rank higher in search results and get more views, so make sure to do your keyword research and use relevant tags and descriptions. And don't forget to create eye-catching thumbnails that will entice viewers to click on your videos. Finally, we come to YouTube marketing. This includes things like cross-promotion, collaborations, and social media promotion, and it can help you reach new audiences and grow your channel faster. By partnering with other YouTubers in your niche and leveraging social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram, you can get your videos in front of more people and increase your reach and engagement. So make sure to network with other creators and promote your videos across all your social media channels. And that's a wrap on our video on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2023 with the latest YouTube algorithm. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful, and that they'll help you reach new heights on the platform. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to create valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.